For week 22, we discuss the forearm flexors and extensors. We'll be starting with the flexors. First is the Flexor Carpi Radialis. So we are going to be on the anterior side, or the non-hairy side of the forearm for these flexors. Its origin is the medial epicondyle of the humerus. So again, making sure we're in anatomical position. That medial epicondyle is going to be on the inside of the humerus at its distal end here. Its insertion is the base of the second and third metacarpal. We want to make sure that you are pointing inside the palm of the hand when we are locating its insertion, because the flexors are on this anterior side of the forearm, and so that base of second and third will be your index and middle, and it will be the bottom end of the metacarpal here that's touching the carpals, second and third. And its actions: it flexes the wrist and it abducts the wrist. So we are taking the thumb and we are moving it away from the body. Next is the Flexor Carpi Ulnaris. Its origin is the medial epicondyle of the humerus here. And then it attaches or it inserts at the pisiform. So this is the only carpal that you will need to know. And it is right here. You'll be able to feel it on the outside of your palm. And then its actions: it flexes the wrist, and then it adducts the wrist. So we're taking the pinky and we are moving it towards the body. Moving on to the extensors, this will be on the hairy side of your forearms, so on the back. The Extensor Carpi Radialis, its origin is the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. Making sure we're in anatomical position. The lateral epicondyle will be on the outside here. And then it inserts at the base of second and third metacarpals. You need to make sure that you are pointing to the back of the hand. The thumb is always number 1, so your index and middle finger will be 2 and 3, and the base will be where it's kind of meeting the carpals here. Its actions: it extends the wrist, and then it also abducts the wrist. We're taking the thumb and moving it away from the body. And then finally you have your Extensor Carpi Ulnaris. Its origin is the lateral epicondyle of the humerus here. And then its insertion is the base of the 5th metacarpal. Again, we want to be on the back of the hand. The 5th metacarpal is your pinky, and so we will be where the metacarpal and the base kind of touches. And then its actions: it extends the wrist, so we're taking the wrist and moving it back, and adducts the wrist. And we are taking the pinky and moving it towards the body.